Hey there everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the National Artist for Sephora collection, and today I'm going to go through some must-have minis. These are so great for travel and on the go and just amazing for touch-ups. So let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, and that is skincare. So this is the Sephora collection mini face roller. I just love it because it's so dang cute. But this is in Blue Aventurine, so I just really love the shade. I think the actual color is very soothing, but it feels really, really good on your skin. So great for depuffing on the go. It's just a really nice thing to keep in your bag to help you relax if you're feeling a little tense. But I really would recommend this. It's just so cute. And another amazing thing for travel and just keeping in your bag to do touch-ups on the go is the Sephora Collection Essential Mini Brush Set. This brush set has a little bit of everything. So it has 4 brushes, which are just really versatile. So it has a foundation brush, a concealer brush, shadow, and crease brush. Since they're synthetic, you can use them with liquids, creams, or powders. So that's what makes them like so flexible to use with really any formula. And I just really love the feel of the brushes. They're just really soft, and that they're tiny. So fun. Speaking of the brush set, I'm actually going to use one of the brushes with my next mini product. Next up is this mini Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Setting Powder, and it's just so tiny and cute for your bag. It comes with like a little mirror on the top so you can always see if you're shiny or not, and I'm getting a little shiny now, so might as well touch up. What I like about this powder is that it really has a very like fine veil to it, so it's almost undetectable. So it does mattify, but it has also like the pearlescent quality to it, so you're not like becoming like a dead matte. It's kind of a luminescent matte. I just really love how this powder looks, and this one comes in different shades, so that just makes it nice to give you a tiny bit of coverage when you're doing those touch-ups. So next up is something that is a longtime favorite of mine. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love that it comes in a mini. It is the most convenient thing for just really holding your makeup in place. If you don't own one of these, I highly recommend it, especially in the summertime. It just really makes your makeup stay on your face. I also really like it because, of course, we're all still wearing those face masks, and this just really helps to prevent your makeup from smudging underneath. Another really great hack for this is to actually apply it before you put on your makeup as well as after. So after you do your moisturizers and everything like that, spritz this on, then put your foundation on. It really gives it a good grip, and then you can spritz this on at the very end of your makeup application to really lock it in. I know that a lot of us are still wearing masks, and this really does help to make sure that it doesn't budge underneath that mask. Next up, this is not a mini, but it does come in a mini. So this is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, and this one is getting so much buzz. It has this really amazing brush, which typically I feel like sometimes I get a little nervous about rubbery brushes, but because it has 2 sides, so one side really like deposits it on, and then the other side has like bristles, which really just lends itself to giving you those like flawless, like beautiful defined lashes. I'll just go ahead and show you all how it works. What's really great about this mascara is it actually has built-in conditioners. So it has keratin, which really helps to strengthen those lashes. I believe it has rose hip oil in it, which really does help to condition, and beeswax as well, which is just amazing. I bet that's what I'm smelling is the beeswax. It smells totally divine. And this mascara, it's also really lightweight, so I feel like I get the fluffiest of lashes. So right now I'm just depositing on another coat with that flat side. So I sort of wiggle against that flat edge. Okay, so you can really see the difference between one eye to the next. It just gives you some really beautiful fluffy lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Don't forget, this comes in a mini with that same great brush that's gonna give you these amazing results. Okay, those are all of my essential touch-ups that you should have on the go with you. I love them because they're all mini and just really easy to take with you. If you liked this video, please subscribe, and until next time, bye everyone.